guys, I'm Mia and thank you for tuning in to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I got this fiery red look on this 613 wig. I ordered this wig in a 10-inch from hairspells.com. I'll put the details in the description bar. I remember paying like $60, but with shipping and everything, it came out to be like 73 or something. Um, it does come in this cute purple packaging. And it also came with a pair of lashes. The wig did come in a middle part, but I had to finesse and make it a side part because I plucked the hole. And it also comes with care and instructions and a coupon code. All right, the first thing that you're gonna need for this is your Shimmer Light shampoo to tone the hair and your wig. You're gonna fill a bowl of water. I use warm water, and I also put not too much of the shampoo. I put mostly water, and I just made sure that all of the shampoo was dissolved because what you don't want is purple patches of shampoo in the middle of your wig. You want everything to be an even consistency. So after you get that done, you're gonna go ahead and grab your wig and dip your wig in there. And as you can see, the wig is already turning into this grayish ash color because what you don't want to do is color your wigs while it's yellow because it'll make the color harder to take. If you want a more vibrant color, you must tone your hair. You must tone your hair. So I'm just going to mix that all around, make sure it's getting to every piece because you don't want some yellow pieces and some gray pieces. Like I said, for this, you need everything to be as even as possible. The two colors that I'm going in today with, you can find them at your local beauty supply store, is the Tintation Kiss colors in ruby red and crimson. And I'm also going to use my freezing spray. Right here, as you can see, what I'm doing is spraying my lace with the freezing spray because I do not want the color to bleed through. Even though I don't think it'll bleed through because I have colored hair before, I just like that extra barrier of protection. So now I'm going to prep the hair for the coloring part. This part is pretty easy. You're going to fill your bowl up or whatever with hot water and you're going to mix in your first color. The first color I'm going in with is the ruby red color. I'm going to go ahead, grab my hair, and just dip it in there the same way we did the shampoo. And as you can see, the color is taken pretty well on the first try. But for me and my preference, what I want crimson to be the majority of my color. So after I did this, I did see that a few spots were not colored. So I just let my wig sit in there. And then I just grabbed another bowl and put more of the crimson color than I did the ruby red color. Mix that all around. You want that to be even as well. No clumps of red because you can come out with red patches of hair. So as you can see, for this, I'm going to let my hair actually sit in this crimson for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to pull it out and rinse it off. This is the color that I was going for. You can go whatever, how dark, how light you want. If you want more of a pastel color, you can also put white conditioner in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it. And this is the finished product, blow dried. This is not flat iron or plucked. And this is the final product after I plucked and flat ironed my hair. I did make it into a side part.